Welcome to ITIL V3 Foundation Certification course offered by Learn Easy. Hello and welcome to ITIL V3 Foundation Training and Certifications. Chapter 3. Principles of IT Service Management. Lesson Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to define the concepts of service, service management, functions, roles and processes, and RACI. The role of IT governance across the service life cycle. What is a service? ITIL defines a service as a means of delivering value to customers by facilitating outcomes customers want to achieve without the ownership of specific costs and risks. So, what exactly is a service in ITIL? When we say service management, are we talking about service, as in service with a smile? Helpful, friendly people who make for a pleasant experience with the provider? Or are we talking about a service that provides specific useful functionality to the customer? What is a service management? Service management is a customer-focused approach to delivering information technology. Service management focuses on providing value to the customer and also on the customer relationship. Service management provides a framework to structure IT-related activities and the interactions of IT technical personnel with customers and clients. A set of specialized organizational capabilities for providing value to customers in the form of services. Service strategy introduces an interesting pair of complementary concepts, resources and capabilities. Resource, a generic term that includes IT infrastructure, people, money or anything else that might help to deliver an IT service. Resources are considered to be assets of an organization. Capability, the ability of an organization, person, process, application, configuration item or IT service to carry out an activity. Capabilities are intangible assets of an organization. There are 5 types of resources. Financial, every organization requires money to function. It is the fuel of an organization. Applications, these automate, enhance, codify and mimic the functions and activities of the capabilities infrastructure, hardware, software, network components, facilities components, etc. Information, represents the context given to data. People, refers to people's time, energy, skills and experience in various roles to help the organization produce and sell goods and services. Capabilities. Like resources, there are 5 types of capabilities. Management, organization, processes, knowledge, people. People are at the same time a resource, in the sense that people are frequently instrumental in delivering an IT service, and a capability, people carry out activities. Process. A set of activities designed to accomplish a specific objective. A process takes defined inputs and turns them into defined outputs. A process may include roles, responsibilities, tools and management controls required to deliver the outputs. Basic process. A set of activities designed to accomplish a specific objective. A process takes defined inputs and turns them into defined outputs. Process characteristics. Processes are measurable, provide results to customers or stakeholders, are continual and iterative and are always originating from a certain event. Processes can run through several organizational units. An example of a process is change management. Function, a team or group of people and the tools they use to carry out one or more processes or activities, specialized in fulfilling a specified type of work, and responsible for specific end results. Functions have their own practices and their own knowledge body. Functions can make use of various processes. An example of a function is a service desk. Processes across the organization. A unifying framework for thinking about processes, or sequences of tasks and activities, that provides an integrated, dynamic picture of organizations and managerial behavior. Service management roles. Service owner. The person who is accountable for the delivery of a specific IT service. They are responsible for continual improvement and management of change affecting services under their care. Example, the owner of the payroll service. Responsibilities of service owner. To act as prime customer contact for all service-related inquiries and issues. To ensure that the ongoing service delivery and support meet agreed customer requirements. To identify opportunities for service improvements, discuss with the customer and to initiate changes for improvements if appropriate. To liaise or communicate with the appropriate process owners throughout the service management life cycle. To solicit or ask required data, statistics and reports for analysis and to facilitate effective service monitoring and performance. Process owner. The person responsible for ensuring that the process is fit for the desired purpose and is accountable for the outputs of that process. Example, the owner for the availability management process. Responsibilities of process owner. Assisting with process design. Documenting the process. Make sure the process is being performed as documented. Making sure process meetings it aims. Monitoring and improving the process over time. Connecting with processes and functions, RACI. The RACI model is a relatively straightforward tool that can be used for identifying roles and responsibilities during an organizational change process. After all, transformation processes do not process themselves, people have to do something to make the processes happen. The RACI matrix, an extension to the RACI model. The ITIL process map uses a RACI matrix to assign responsibilities to processes. RACI is a variant of the RACI model, which defines the following responsibilities. R means responsible, those who do the work to achieve a task. There is typically one role with a participation type of responsible. A means accountable, those who are ultimately accountable for the correct and thorough completion of the deliverable or task, and the one to whom responsible is accountable. Typically, the process owner is accountable for a process, and there must be only one accountable specified for each task or deliverable. S means support, resources allocated to responsible. Unlike consulted, who may provide input to the task, support will assist in completing the task. C means consulted, those who are not directly involved in a process but provide inputs and whose opinions are sought. I means informed, those who receive outputs from a process or are kept up to date on progress, often only on completion of the task or deliverable. Service provider. An organization supplying services to one or more internal customers or external customers. Service provider is often used as in short form for IT service provider. There are three types of service providers, that may include service provided as well providers for the service. Internal service provider, exists within an organization and provides service solely for a unique business unit. Shared service unit, exists within an organization, but provides service for more than one business unit. External service provider, operates outside organization. Supplier. A third party responsible for supplying goods or services that are required to deliver IT services. Examples of suppliers include commodity hardware and software vendors, network and telecom providers, and outsourcing organizations. The service life cycle. Lesson objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand the value of the service life cycle, how the processes integrate with each other throughout the life cycle. The life cycle interactions. ITIL defines service management as a set of specialized organizational capabilities for providing value to customers in the form of services. The capabilities take the form of functions and processes that are used to manage services over their life cycle. ITIL contains a set of 5 publications, the ITIL core, which provides structure, stability, and strength to an IT organization's service management capabilities. Each publication represents a phase of the life cycle and is noted in the following list: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. Relationship between governance and ITSM. Governance drives organizations and controls them. Corporate governance provides good, honest, transparent and responsible management of an organization. Business governance results in good company performances. Together they are known as enterprise governance. Now that you've reached the end of Chapter 3, Principles of IT Service Management, I am delighted with the fantastic start we've had to the course. In this session we concentrated mainly principles of IT service management. What is a service? What is a service management? Process, functions and roles. Connecting with processes and functions, RACI. Service provider. Supplier. The value of the service life cycle. How the processes integrate with each other, throughout the life cycle. The relationship between governance and IT service management. Next session we will be looking at service strategy in IT service management. There will be a teaching assistant from LearnEasy staff at any time during the course and for the projects. Queries can be also submitted through support@learneasy.com. And please visit our website for more informations. www.learneasy.com. Well, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Click the like button, share the awesomeness with your friends and folks, subscribe to LearnEasy, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss on some of the awesome videos we make for you. I will catch you soon with another great video. Till then, you stay just awesome.